There are basically two ways one can cheat with Pearson VUE. Technical expert method to bypass Pearson VUE. In this method, a technical expert installs a custom software in student's PC, and with help of that, he can see student's screen and take exam on student's behalf. The next question that comes to mind is cheating on Pearson VUE is safe with technical expert method? Answer is yes, as the software installed by technical experts cannot be detected by Pearson VUE. This method is considered the safest of all cheating methods. During all this process, technical experts stay connected with student computer, and once quiz start, he can take it on his behalf. This method is known as technical expert method. Now, if you want to know who you can contact these technical experts, you can just check my description to find contact email. Now we're going to talk about some other ways to cheat on Pearson VUE that are old and conventional. Utilizing a virtual machine. Test takers often use a virtual machine to cheat on a Pearson VUE exam. This method is very complex and take too much time for installation. Using phones and other devices. It involves placing a phone or small laptop behind your webcam, but within reach of the keyboard. As Pearson VUE uses different algorithms to monitor the student activities,